Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Bazzite and SteamOS. Bazzite and SteamOS are both gaming-focused Linux systems, but they approach things differently. Bazzite is Fedora-based and designed to give you a SteamOS-like experience without being tied to Valve's hardware. It works on a wide range of PCs, laptops, and Steam Deck, and it includes extra features like easier desktop access, more customization options, and broader software support right out the box. It's upgraded regularly through Fedora's package system, giving it fresh drivers and security patches, and it can be used both as a daily desktop and a gaming machine. SteamOS, on the other hand, is a Valve's official Linux distribution for Steam Deck. It's tightly integrated with Steam Gaming Mode interface, optimized for DeX's hardware and built around Arch Linux for rolling updates. On the Deck, it offers the most seamless plug-and-play gaming experience. However, installing it on other hardware can be tricky, and it's more locked into the Steam ecosystem with fewer desktop-focused features pre-installed. If you want the most polished and optimized Steam Deck experience, SteamOS is the winner. But if you're gaming on regular PC, want more flexibility, or need a system that works well as both as desktop and a console, Bazzite is the better choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.